Namaste everyone. I am Satvik. I would like to enhance my responsibility in the formation of a bright and wealthy nation. So, I came forward to add some bricks on behalf of our school, Bhashyam Blooms. We were given a thought vocal for local, which was given by our beloved Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. Really, it's an apex idea to grow our GDP. Hence, I plead all the Indians to please boycott all the foreign goods and buy only native goods which are being manufactured in Indian industries. Be brisk to take part in formulation of nation. This is the golden opportunity to show our patriotism. Only those who support to create wealth in this pandemic situation are true patriots. So I humbly beseech everyone to educate as many people as possible about this. Now let's look at the world before coronavirus. The jargons which we used to hear usually were modernization, industrialization, global village, globalization, etc. Every country does many imports and exports of various items, which created interdependency between countries. People can travel to any place for various reasons, such as business, vacation, etc. With Corona, situations have changed drastically, and nowadays we hear phrases such as social distancing, lockdown, quarantine, travel ban, etc. So there is no possibility for countries to perform export and import of goods and products. So countries are isolated from rest of the world and need to survive with what gets produced in the country. There are travel bans and people and goods can't move freely anymore. At the time of independence, Swadeshi movement proposed by Gandhiji and other leaders was an economic strategy to bring down British Empire from power and to improve economic conditions in India. Modern Swadeshi movement. With COVID-19, the perspective of world has changed completely and we need to be more self-reliant and less dependent on other countries. This in the long run will help building strong economy for the country. To make India more self-reliant, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has come up with an innovative idea and slogan which is vocal for local. Government has announced economic package stimulus of 20 lakh crore rupees, which is 10% of our GDP. This package covers micro, small, and medium enterprises and local business to strengthen and improve productivity. FDIs help in increase of GDP, whereas localization does not directly help in the increase of GDP, but in long run, with monetary backup from government, the primary and secondary markets will grow. There is no definite timeline of when corona crisis will end. We need to be prepared for any such future crisis. Corona crisis is teaching us to get more self-reliant. After social distancing and lockdowns, slowly focus should get to building our economy again. Agriculture Agriculture, industries, and small businesses need to keep going to meet the local demands. Local businesses should become as import substitution. This is not a rejection of globalization but new form which is more people centric rather than profit centric. Made in India and Make it India are the key initiatives for this. Local manufacturing, markets, and supply chain should be the main priority. Usage of local goods should not just be our necessity but should be our responsibility also. All Indians should buy local goods, should be proud of it, and should promote for others to buy it. Mindset of people should change, and we need to give up this impression that foreign goods are better. This stimulates local business and improves standard of living for many people in our country. Preference should be to buy Indian products manufactured by Indian companies or products manufactured in India by multinational companies also. Just to understand the pros and cons of buying local goods, we are showing you this slide. The pros of buying local goods are when we buy local goods and products, most of the amount spent will get back into same community and help in economic development. Localization helps in creating more job opportunities in our country. And some cons of localization are, in some cases, local goods can be more expensive. Still, we should prefer to buy local goods so as to give a helping hand for our own people and economy. And also, local skills and local technology might be slightly insufficient. These are some of the benefits of buying local products. We can see that item 6, hometown pride, indicates that products made from small villages and communities can get global recognition for the village and even the country. For example, Kondapalli toys and Thanjavur musical instruments. Slowly, our mindset should be think local and buy local, which gives all the benefits, all these benefits. For going with vocal for local, as an example, here we can take food and dairy supply. Instead of packaged food that is imported from other countries, added with preservatives and prepared many weeks before we can use them, we should go with fresh food, dairy products available in our local markets and support our local farmers and sellers. Last but not the least, I'd like to express my gratitude to all my teachers, principals, and my friends and family for giving me this opportunity and supporting me. I, I wish you all to stay safe and stay home and be a proud citizen of India by supplying vocal for local. Jai Hind.